Hello and welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how to make an intruder alarm. So an intruder alarm is basically I'm going to put a sensor. So if anything or anybody crosses the sensor, it triggers an alarm. So for the intruder alarm, we are going to need an Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, an LED, and you can even use a buzzer. And for the connections, we need some jumper cables and the breadboard. So the ultrasonic has like a transmitter and a receiver. So it says T here, T in a side and R in the other. So the transmitter transmits it. So when it hits an object, it reflects back and then it hits the receiver. The receiver captures it, and then we can code it to find out how much away or near it is to the sensor. Okay, now take your ultrasonic sensor, plug it into the breadboard like this. So make sure each of them has its own row so it does not get short. Now, so there are 4 pins in it: VCC, trigger, echo and ground. So take the VCC. The VCC goes to the 5-volt power supply in the Arduino Uno. Next, take the trigger, connect that to the digital pin number 9 of the Arduino Uno. And the echo goes to the digital pin number 10. There. Yeah. And the ground goes to the ground. Now we have connected the ultrasonic, if you have done all of this. Now there are 2 of them. The long leg one is the positive of the LED and the short leg is the negative. So so I've plugged it in the breadboard. Now the positive of the LED goes to digital pin number 7 and the negative of the LED goes to the ground. Okay, now it's done. Now if I have already coded my board, I'll give you the code. And now if I have set it for 10 centimeters, so it will work if I give it power. Now let's try it. I'm connecting it to the power bank. Now it's behind 10. Now it's into 10. Behind 10, inside 10. Behind 10, into 10. Behind and inside. Behind and inside. So it works. You can even code it to go for a longer distance. I have just coded it for 10 centimeters. This is the code we are going to use. So I asked you to connect the trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor to pin 9, and the echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor to pin 10, and the LEDs positive to pin 7. So and then in the setup, they're defining all the inputs and outputs, and in the infinite loop here. So this one, there's a transmitter and a receiver in an ultrasonic sensor. So the transmitter transmits an ultrasonic wave, and then it hits the object and it bounces to the receiver, and the receiver captures it. So now the receiver now knows how much time it took for the transmitter to transmit it, and how long it took to come to the receiver. So now it knows the time, and now using the time it converts it in the now it calculates at what distance the object is going to be from the ultrasonic sensor, and after it finds out and it displays it in centimeters. And now here you're saying if the distance is less than or equal to 10 centimeters, turn the LED on. If the distance is more than 10 centimeters, turn the LED off. I have an idea. So my parents don't like me watching a mobile or any screen for that matter. So I've put the ultrasonic with the Arduino here, and for example now if I cross it, there's a light up there that lights up there, like now it lights up. So when it lights up, I know that they are coming up. So and yeah, I have also increased the range of the ultrasonic to 45 centimeters. So now I can sit up there and watch it, and I will know when they are coming.
Goodbye.